মডেল অ্যাক্টিভিটিটা ক্লাস 6 ইংলিশ। রিড দ্য ফলোয়িং প্যাসেজ অ্যান্ড অ্যান্সার দ্য কোশ্চেন দ্যাট ফলো। মানে প্যাসেজটি পড়ে নিজের প্রশ্নগুলির উত্তর দাও। এ নম্বর কি বলেছে? কমপ্লিট দ্য ফলোয়িং সেন্টেন্স উইথ দ্য ইনফরমেশন ফ্রম দ্য প্যাসেজ। The narrator left the viewing room because he was feeling restless. 2 number, he could not talk to his father as his father was surrounded by reporters. Sunlight crept on the moon's surface until the night was gone finally. Answer the following question. প্রশ্নগুলির উত্তর দাও। How did the moon appear to the narrator? The moon appeared very small to the narrator. When would there be a party in moon? The sun rose only 12 or 13 times a year in moon. So at every sunrise there would be a party in moon. 3 নম্বর কি বলেছে? Why was the sunrise special for the residents of moon? In the moon, the sun rose only 12 or 13 times a year, so it was something special for the residents of moon. 2 নম্বর প্রশ্ন কি হয়েছে? Do as directed. Will you please shut the door? Replace the underlined word with its antonym. Antonym, will you please open the door? We shall go out for vacation soon. Identify the type of adverb used in the sentence. Adverbs of time. 3 number, the earnings for the quarter. Exists. Expectation. Choose the correct option. Exceeds. Our guest is dash European. Fill in the blanks with an identified article. An. May God bless you. Identify the type of sentence. Optative. 3 number, develop a story in about 60 words using the following outline. Add a suitable title to your story. Outline, dog with piece of meat in mouth crosses a river bridge, sees his shadow, thinks another dog, buck's meat falls into the river. Answer, the dog and the shadow. Once upon a time, a greedy dog snatched a piece of meat from a nearby house and began crossing the river over a narrow bridge with it in his mouth. He noticed another dog carrying a piece of meat in its mouth. As he looked down into the river, the dog stopped on the bridge and looked down very carefully. He became greedy to get the other piece of meat. In fact, he saw his own image in the clear water of the river and took it for another dog. So he howled at the image. Instantly, the piece of meat fell into the water. The dog jumped, following the piece of meat that was dropping. Alas, he failed to get it. He somehow swam to the other side of the river and stayed hungry. Moral, grabs all, lose all.